Welcome, welcome, gang. Market opens in 5 minutes. I'm actually a couple minutes early. Can you believe it? I am feeling short, and I want to try to get positioned before it cranks. And does that to this guy. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I kind of want to try to get short with this. Up and around these prices. Imagine getting short on that. Like, come on, kid. Come on. It could be so sexy. Where is it? 76. Mario. Oh, it's Mar. Bro, I missed you. Marino Santana. Love the name, man. Homie, what's up? Top of the mountain. Spitz, my boy. I'm in shorts. Let's see if it plays out in my favor. I also want to get short, bro. I also want to get short with top being like somewhere around here. I also am feeling that, Mar. Welcome, welcome. Bro, happy to see you, bro. I missed you. Spitz, how you feeling, King? You feeling like we're going down too? I'm short from the 227 since pre-market. Okay, all my boys are short. I'm getting short. I'm getting short too, Kings. What's the top of here? 82. I'll be 20 points. Yeah, I'm short. I'm short. I'm gonna move this up, and we're just gonna let this thing open. We're gonna open with market today, boys. I missed you, Poppy. Hey, my boy. We're gonna take some drawdown. See if we can get a push at market open. I haven't really been in a trade pre-market like this, so this is a little bit new for you, boy. Hopefully we don't go up to those 291s. Woo! I missed you, but those candles may shake me up and blew my account. May shake me up and blow my account. No chance. We're going down. We're going down, and we're falling apart. Come on! First time I've really been in a trade at open like this. It feels weird. Just seeing the charts being in there. Oh, I want to see this thing die off the open. Off of like, yeah, I like this price, this opening top. We could come up here, these tops as well. I don't know, gang. I don't know. But I'm liking that we're all in the same mindset. I was coming on here like, dang, I kind of want to get short. Mars short. And then my boy Spitz also says he's short. Like, what are we doing, gang? We're looking low is what we're doing. Minute till market opens. Let's see what happens. This is exciting. Woo! Let's go, gentlemen. Let's make some money on this fine Wednesday. 45 seconds till the market opens. Oh, hell yeah. If we get open like yesterday, I'm going to bust. Me too, Spitz. No doubt about it. All because my boy Mars in here saying, yeah, I'm short already. I'm short. Let's see if it plays out. We're all short. Can we all get paid? Let's see what happens here. I'm nervous, bro. What the fuck? I'm nervous too, doggy. You can feel it. Let's get paid or we're going to get rocked today. Ay. Get it? We're building a bull flag. I've been trading nights, so it's been a while since I traded mornings, LOL. Dude, I have never been in a trade like this to start the morning. Keep going. Keep going. Go through that VWAP. Come on. Go. Let's just be patient here, gang. Not get crazy with it. We're getting a push. We're getting a push. Spitz, more. Let's go, boys. We got to clear out this little bottom here. We can find some sells. Oh, we could find some sells here, gentlemen. Come on. Let's get this thing to move. I'm putting break evens on now. Just going to be smart. And we're going to let this motherfucker ride. I'm going to go for low a day. I might even go for yesterday's low. I don't know. Feeling a little crazy. We're getting this thing down to the 220s right now. Woo! Come on, gentlemen. Let's see this thing die. We got break evens on. We're up almost 40 points already. This thing is looking strong. Holy shit. We got to make sure we're being smart. Where's the part where we could get out? Like, where could this go? Honestly, could just keep pushing, though. Holy shit. So go ahead, then. No one's waiting. No one's waiting for you. Come on, Spitz. SND, welcome in. Good morning, my boy. Welcome, welcome. We're short early. Our boy Marino, our man Mar, and Spitz, we all hopped in early shorts. Hey, don't flirt with me right now, Mar. You might get me excited. Where'd we get down to? We got down to this bottom, finding a little bit of a reaction. We're going to be patient here. See what happens. We're getting some strength in the cells, no doubt about it. Into the 200 whole number here. See what the reaction is at this 200s. Oh, man. Get through those 200s. No one's going to be upset with you, NASDAQ. Man, we're finding some sells right now, Kings. All the way down in the 180s. Let's see this thing keep going. Let's just see this thing keep going here. Low a day is down to these 171s. What are we thinking? I think 170 or 130, I'm out. I know, I'm looking to the 120s maybe for previous day low. 130s, I mean 170s is obviously the safest play. What are we thinking? What are we thinking, boys, for the exit on this? Mar, where are you looking to go? Oh, getting a pushback in here now. Where are we thinking, gang? I think maybe the 70s is the safest, the 74s. Sadly, just want to frickin' let this thing die on us. Might even try to average in if we can get another little push up here. Try to get a second order. Let's hope 130. Oh, let's hope, huh, King? I'm feeling it too. I'm going to try to add into this position if we get a nice push into like one of these levels. I'm going to put an order on. Limit sell 1. Get a second contract. Potential. You know, just potentials. Obviously, I kind of want to just see this thing continue to rotate for us, but whatever happens here. Nice little push there. Come on now. We got short early, Saucy Man. We're looking low, boy. This would be previous day low if we got this break. I'm already out on all shorts. I trailed it. Oh, Mars already outie. That makes me feel interesting. Mars outie. What are we thinking? Spitz said maybe 70s. We did get a push to the 86. Let's see what this rotation does here. I wouldn't mind even getting a second contract on one of these pushes. On NQ, it looks like it's already at the bottom, but to be honest, this could head down to the 100 whole number. He says he already looks bottom on the NQ. Don't tell me that, King. We're still in here. You can't tell me that type of scary stuff. But he said 100 possibility. We're not trying to be greedy. We're not. So I'm going to let this play out a little bit more, but I'm still thinking the shorts are going to be in a little bit here. There's no way that's just a quick bottomed out there. We did get to a decent price, but I would have at least expected overnight low. Like, I don't know if I would. I don't know. We're gonna be in here right now. Is this just a one push bottom? I don't know if I believe that. We're gonna actually get a second contract fill here, possibly. Almost filling us on that. We're in 2 contracts now. Oh, did VWAP just update for me? What was that? Definitely going to trail this a little higher now. Our exit. If we can get a push back down here. Oh, looks like we're going to get it maybe. I don't know. We got to see a strong reaction on this candle. That's unbelievable. It is unbelievable, Spitz. Oh, come on. Keep pushing for us right here. Stay strong on that sell candle. Come back in here, sellers. Nice reaction to the VWAP there. Wanting to see this turn around here. Gotta stay compressed below this EMA. Big moments here, boys. Big moments here, boys. Big moments here, boys. I'm just trying to pay attention. I'm happy with $1,000. We got to be safe. We got to be smart. This feels like a bear flag here. I feel like I just got scared out of it, but you're a TK, brother. Try to lock in some profits when you can. You're the man, Mario. I'm gonna keep calling you Mario. Mariano. Marino. Sorry, Mar. Just used to calling you Mar. Pat! Oh, welcome, gentlemen. That was one of my earlier trades, so I just had to close that $1,000 there, but shoot, I feel like this I don't really believe that that's the bottom. Holy shit, I say brother a lot. Me too, though. Me too, though, Mar. Hey, it's our language. I'm not going to lie to y'all. I'm going to be a little disappointed in myself if this continues to break new lows, just because I feel like we were in a beautiful spot and I kind of got scared. I'm not going to lie. It was our earliest trade I've taken in a long time, hence why I kind of got scared out of it. But shit. Since we just averaged into that second contract, I should have totally been letting this ride. This is my new account. I'll be making more videos on here. Fuck yeah. Well, when you do, buddy, I'm going to give you a big old shout out. Get everyone in there. Get everyone over to Marino's channel. Give him some likes and some follows, some subs. Smash that like button for the fire start, boys. Brett, being the fucking man, our moderator, followed you on X. Did you, bro? I'll follow you back. You're the man. You are the man. I definitely feel like I'm scared out of this. Sometimes that opening candle is crazy. I know, and I really am anticipating a continuation down in this direction. I just got scared. Look at us compressing below VWAP and everything. This is going to continue down, no? Shit. Shit. I want to take a short. Are we even respecting a level? Not really. Into the VWAP. I might try it here if we get a push. For just one contract. All good. Nice win, bro. Longs took on gold one lot. Mark's long on gold, which means you're short. If you're long gold, you're short NAS. No? That short I was in yesterday kept me in for the most afternoon just to break even. Dude. She went sideways. She was a tease. Sorry to hear it, S&D. I closed it because too sketchy. I closed two, buddy. I think maybe 350 another short. I'm thinking 350 as well. Maybe even this VWAP push, honestly. I'm kind of wanting to short this VWAP push right here. Matter of fact, I'm going to put one on. Fuck 'em. Let me get an order back up here. Limit sell one. Give me a fill there, and then we'll be patient. What are we thinking? I think maybe 350. Yeah. I'm feeling maybe a VWAP. I could average in if we get another push up to 50s. This to me looks pretty. If Mars long gold, he's actually short the NASDAQ. They're the same thing in that way. We got a nice little bear flag setting up here. If this thing starts to break, I would like to participate. Excuse me. Give me one more fill at the VWAP NASDAQ, and then go ahead and try to get down there. Market's been open for 10 minutes. This is the 10th minute, so patience for sure, but I'm liking it so far. Give me one more push up there and give me a fill. We're looking for a little lower now. I'm going to look for a fill at the 20, what is that? 22, 32? It's hard to tell with all the lines there. Alright, we're short one here. Just going to risk a normal couple points. I want to see if this thing will break down. I don't like that NVIDIA keeps pushing, Spitz says. Okay, NVIDIA's on top, huh? I want to see this thing go ahead and rotate. W's for anybody that recognized. Get through there. Sellers come in here, could be decent. See a little push. Let's see a little push here. It's not a bad candle. I want to see some continuation on that. I'm probably going to look to exit this around here, maybe. If we can even get a push back towards that direction. This thing kind of wants to turn, it looks like. I'm actually going to look maybe a little lower if these heavy candles come in. Got to get through some of this price action. We're looking for maybe low a day. Kind of like where I'm looking. I don't know. I don't know. Finding a reaction. Gold is pushing, which means Nas should be coming down. Sauce, W, don't even. Woo! Nice entry. Well done. Thanks, Spitz. We'll see what happens. Kind of want to see this thing keep breaking through these lows. We have 11 minutes of the market open so far. I want to see what the 15-minute looks like once this kind of continues. And we're at the 200 whole number. Wouldn't mind seeing this thing keep ripping down into the twos. The 200 whole number reaction is going to be interesting to gauge. Come on, NASDAQ. Give me this sell. Show me these sells one time. One time. Someone come in and smack this thing. We're holding out the 200s. No reason this couldn't just keep pushing through. Mars said we're possibly at the low a day, but if gold is ripping, right, then NASDAQ should be countering that on the other side. So, gonna be patient here. I don't mind our entry. See if we can get this thing to push through. The 200 whole number is gonna be the reaction, the test. If we keep kind of like, you know, wicking, find some doji. I don't know. Kind of want to see shorts get heavy here. I like that we're compressing below VWAP. We're in the EMA range. I don't mind this to see maybe a chance to break lower. I am going to put break even on now just to be smart, just to be a good trader that's thinking. But man, I want to see this die off this EMA and push these lows. I don't think this low is completely true. And if that low gives, we should see the next low give. So I'm going to be patient. Let's see what happens here. Got to get through this next bottom. No more wicks. Gold is now trying to break 9 EMA. If it does, gold will have continuation. If gold has continuation, then that should have some continuation. Come on. NQ can head lower. Come on. Mars talking magic to me. He's flirting in my ear, telling me this could be playing out. Let's see what happens here. Keep news coming out at 10:30 for NQ. Home sales? Shit. You ain't wrong, kid. Oh, that crude oil? That was home sales. Home sales, they're both? Huh. All right, let's see this reaction. We're still trying to go sideways here. I want to see this thing try these lows out. I want to see this candle. This candle's kind of got to be the candle. Try out these 200 whole number. Give us some push here. Get out. Someone get out and start pushing. Your break even is my entry. Word, so we're pretty much right there, Juan. My boy Juan. We in the same spot, King. Come on. Come give this some push here. Someone get out and push. I don't like the way that we're holding this 200. I'm going to take this right. Fuck. I want to take it at this 200, the way that we're reacting. Let's see this 200 reaction. There's the 90s. Got to really try to get through there. There's the 97s. Still want to see this thing push. Any wicks back to the 200s, unsexy. See this thing keep trying now. Into the 90s. There's a push. Let's see this keep going now. Into the previous bottom. Kind of anticipating low a day now. We're going to look for more. Yeah, we're in, boys. Looking for previous day low, I think, maybe here. Previous day low would look something like this. I think safest would be kind of like that, but I kind of want to look for some money there. I don't know. Strong push by the sellers. We're going to look for previous day low. I like this exit. We're going to take 1750 if we can get there. Sells are coming in though. Trail light. Yeah, put some profit on. Overall, gold is real bullish. Sorry, I've been looking over here. Gold pushing, Tyler trail just in case it tries to get against you. Trail light, yeah. And then overall, gold is bullish right now. I want to see this thing keep dying into this zone for us. We're going to get a retry of the previous bottom, but we're really looking for previous low a day. I really could even look for the 100-hole number, but that just feels sus. But we're going to be happy if we get out at the 144 here. If we can get out the 144s, I will be stoked. Come on, NASDAQ. Come on, NASDAQ. Damn, I'm late. Kid Savvy, my boy. You did miss some magic today. I'm not going to lie to you. Not going to lie to you, Kid Savvy. Bro, we took a short, super early, kid, and then got in with another one up here. We might get break-evened here on this, or the 620, whatever, but wanting to see this thing continue to play out a little bit more for us. Looking for previous day low. Tyler, that payout is coming soon. Just stay locked in, brother. Hey, Mars, you're flirting, buddy. My boy. Let's see. Is this opening print? This is. So, into the 45th. This was the 45th minute. So, that's kind of our range. So, we never really pushed through too much lower. Let's get a reaction off this EMA here. Let's not keep pushing here. Let's get a reaction off this EMA and possibly get some more reward for that. I don't like that we're holding that 15-minute. I feel like we could get break even here on the 620 profit where I was trailing. I was aiming for the EMA here to be our last line in the sand. I want to see some reaction off this. Don't do me dirty. Just don't do me dirty, you feel me? Get away from our price. Sorry, I'm trying to stay focused. I'm trying to stay locked in. Almost got break even. Token out there. Alright, we're out there. I'm up 1,700 in my XFA and 15 in a new combine. Spitz! Let's fucking go, King. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are, buddy. I think this bottom could have held on this push, honestly. Fill me. Fill me. Fill me. Don't be dirty. Thank you. Looking for this imbalance here to hold. Might get a push back up now. Not going to be trading too much more, but just taking a peek. Nice, bro. Got to stop trying to get in that. It's okay, Pat. We're going to see what happens here. Trying to see if this will rotate back for us here. Hold this EMA price. I'm feeling weird today. Feeling like I want to just be scalpy. Just want to take it. Just want to take it. I'm still in longs on gold. Light trail on entry point 35.50, 34.15. You're still long, okay. interested to see how this plays out here on this candle. Might just take 100. Ooh, get kicked. Getting kicked there. Strong reaction on that push. Kind of anticipated to see that react there. Alright. We tried. Nice to know that we didn't even have to get out of our shorts. Probably gonna... Oh, don't do that to me, Nasdaq. Don't make me look and see you do that to me. Might just chill here, boys. Honestly, let's make sure the accounts are followed. 25.57s. You know? Can't really be upset about it. The reason I took that long is this imbalance created right here that we just respected. We haven't pushed back through. We're starting to hold now. I still don't mind the longs here. Mars trailing. Yeah, now the long's going to tease me. We're in one here. I'm surprised you didn't go off the 50% in the 15-minute range like you usually do. For a short, or for my take profit, Saucy? What were you talking about? But I agree. I just, I don't know, hasn't been playing in as much lately. Market's been weird lately. I feel like the market's just been strange lately. Failure to get out there again. Anticipating this to kind of try to go, but we're not really getting the push. Are we going sideways? Is that short you were in? In that short you were in? Yeah, for the 50%. Yeah. Yeah, you're right, buddy. Want to see if the CMA can hold here, push us up a little bit, get a little push back towards this 50%. We are kind of rejecting it right now, so taking that as I will for some information. I don't like that we're hanging out here. Failing to move makes me think. Oh, don't give me an Asana ad right now, YouTube. I'm in a trade, you know what I mean? I'm in a trade. Don't give me an Asana ad. Want to see if the CMA can hold. Feel like we're getting teased. Sells have been heavy, so we could easily come in and find some selling here. You're going to go against the trend now. You're going against the trend now, too. Well, yes. Yes, but no, Saucy. Only because... Well, I see what you're saying. Technically, the downtrend for the day, 100%. I like this potential here and this imbalance that we created. Creating some decent structure here as well. But we're not getting any movement, so I definitely could be on the wrong side of this. We're not getting a move in the direction that is breaking out. Still respecting this trend. VWAP's compressing us. I'm not sure why 390 is my bottom either. That should only be 200, to be honest. Only risking 200 on this. Want this to move. Feel like we're going to get just whipped out again and then the move. Like the buying is showing itself here. It's just too late. I don't know. Like, look at the buying want to show here. Look at it. But if it doesn't move, it's not moving. Come on, NASDAQ. Push here. One time. There's a little trend line, the 1 minute. Yeah, right here. Right here, Saucy. That's what I want to see break, buddy. There's also a trend on the other side as well, so. Oh, dude. All right, boys. I think that might be it. I took plenty of trades today. 2.5 for the day, ES and GC. Marino, my boy, making money today like he never left. I'm up 13. I just gave up a little last chunk there, seeing if this, before this one candle just broke our spirits. But really, it's not bad. If this does break through here, though, gang. Hey. We were hoping, Mar. We were. Had to be willing to try. Yeah. Gave up a little bit of profit here, chasing this thing, but hey, appreciate. Gave up a little bit of profit. Let's see what we hit. We hit trades. 14, so we're up 15. So I've given up 280 back, 290 back, $300 total. You know, it's like, yeah, I gave up a little bit of, gave up the green, looking for more green. I'm not gonna lie, this structure here, just feels bearish, like we're gonna go push through to get previous day lows. Excuse me. This imbalance here that we just respected was the tough trade. Because I still think that this here, like what you noticed, the 1 minute small trend line, Brett, I expect this breaking. Tricky. How many days for payout, Ty? So if we take this winning day, we would need 2 more days. 2 days and we're at 24, so I don't know. It's okay. Not too bad. Think about it like this, Tyler. You're up over $6,500 of 5 XFAs. Technically, yeah. You right, Mar. You right. Now I feel even, I could have been up, what, 8 grand? I was up 8 if we didn't take that last little try there. Absolutely no complaints, though. We got to do what we got to do. Two more, yeah. So if we take this Spitz, if we take this winning day, we'll need 2 more. And then we could maybe grab a little payout. We'll see. I'm not sure what I even want, though, you know. Take out like 15 out of each would be pretty good. So we need another $500 in 2 days. Come on, that's doable. A little 7,500. They take actually 12,000. But you know what I mean, LOL. No, I know what you're talking about. I feel you. I'm still thinking about the fact that, boys, if we never even sold our first long from the top, how we're chilling. Right? Like Mar and Spitz, we're all short pre-market into this push here. It's honestly my first pre-market sale trade, and she was sexy. And now we're starting to see trading possibly towards previous day low, which is what my target was kind of thinking, but I don't have that type of testicles, you know what I mean? That requires like man balls. We just got like we got like adolescent NASDAQ testes, you know? But for real, fucking appreciate you guys so much. We got 9 homies hanging out. That means the world to me. More than my fucking green days, so. Or that you will have 5K in which XFA and withdraw 2.5. That's 10, which is amazing. Another little 10 piece to the account would be sexy. Get to Yeah, got to get these up. 20, got to get these up then. If I get actually spits, if I get 2.5K, that's 1250. That's 12,500. They'll take 12. They'll take 12. So I'll be at 11 actually. If I got a 2.5K payout, that would be nah, bro. F that. Be happy with that gainer, brother. A win is a win. You straight facts, Mar. But no, that'd be actually like 11 grand spits if we got that. I'm gonna delete this triangle. This one here. This is the trend that we're noticing hold at the moment. A push down into previous spot. Yeah, really sexy today, boys. It's 10:01. The sells were in today, gentlemen. Excuse me. Ugh. Starting to break through this trend line. We also have a little imbalance here that was formed, so we will see. It's 10:02. Sometimes I don't even have trades taken at this point, so not afraid to still consider some trades, but 158 is strong rest if you look. Strong low resistance at the 58s, huh? Yeah. Off of yesterday, we bounced. Still supported it. What was it previously as well? Oh, and over here as well. Sort of. And over here. Yeah. She's been a line in the sand previously, Spitz, and appearing that it could be another line in the sand. It's giving hints. That sell was a textbook play. Had to share that. No doubt about it. It was beautiful. That's why I got up here a couple minutes early, and I saw that we were like, and then we had this push too, and I was like, oh my god. And she was actually textbook. I need 1,500 more, Wanucci says. Let's find that for you, King. Let's find it for you. I'm not going to lie to you. The way that we pushed through the bottom of the 15 minutes, respected it, pushed through again, and respected it again, Juan, I almost want to try this price for a long, potentially. Obviously, you have a chance of risking $200. Like, I almost want to put 200 risk on here. But I'm gonna be patient. But potentially long in this move down here is I'd consider. Look at the 200 EMA in the 1 hour. This is my hourly chart. I don't have a 200, but I can turn on my it's the VWAP. Yeah, it's the WAP. Yeah, I don't have a EMA for my my hour chart, Spitz. I keep it over here, and it's actually, I think it's just a 9. Yeah, it's a 9 EMA. This thing has been moving weird. Wait, I can only make 1,500 per day. I'm doing Topstep. Yeah, you can only make 1,500 if that's not in your... If it's your XFA, you can go crazy. You can go crazy thick. But if it's your combine, most you can make is 50% of your total. So if you were at... So yesterday you're at 51,000. So if you made 15 today, you'd be at 52.5, and then the next day, tomorrow, you'd only need $500. Or you can just pace that out 1,000 today, 1,000 tomorrow. Like, there's a couple ways you can play it, one. Let's see what happens here, boys. We're at the 158s. Like Spitz said, it was supported previously a few times. So let's see how it reacts here. Took another long on gold since it held my support and resistance one lot. See, that's how I'm feeling about this. I don't even want to trade it anymore, but I feel like I should. I feel like we're starting to get some reaction at this level. Or we're just going to die here. I mean, we are failing to break back into the 15-minute range now, so I need 1,000 more for today. All right, so you're up 500. Word. So you're at 51.5. So you could even leave it at that. one. You can just leave your account at 51,500 and then try to pass tomorrow. Like, you got some options. So you don't feel forced to have to take anything. 10 o'clock, home sales came in. Didn't do much for the market at all. When I'm in Combine, I go straight killer mode, bro. 100K Combine. Yeah, when you're in Combine, you got to put it in. 3K in two. In 2 trades, yeah. And that, if that's what you're talking about. 3K in 2 trades. Starting to get, we got back in the 15-minute range now. We found a little bit of a bottom. Again, a retest of that 57 level. I don't know. Team Big Dogs in 3. Man, Marino gets it. That's what happened. This man Mar just has he's an inkling and an understanding. Still just finding sells. It looks like we're getting compressed every time we're moving at all here. It's hard to take a short this deep into the bottom, right? So be careful. Don't chase nothing crazy, but man. You know what's crazy, Sauce? Is you were dead ass right. I was focused on the trade earlier, so I couldn't really give you the mental energy. But you were so right. If I put my break even back at this 50%, we never traded there, we'd still be here. Just small things you can do all the time, right? That'd have been like a 600 point difference, so $600 difference. Never upset about a win, but just always can analyze how you did well, what you did right, what you did wrong. We are in a game of learning after all, gentlemen. And we are the only one that can observe and learn off our own shit. Look at this hourly chart. Starting to present that this 420 could be the top. Could be the toppy top for a little bit. Market just doesn't feel, I don't know, sentiment's changed a little. Sentiment feels like it's changed a little. Small adjustment on a day-to-day basis, that's all. Yeah, exactly. Just little tweaks, little optimizations, little here's and there's. Pushing into the, we broke through that little bottom that was fabricated at the 57s. Pushing back into it slightly now. See what happens. Hey. Starting to find a little bit out. Check out gold, bro. Take profit strategies and scaling strategies are low-key the hardest concepts for me that I'm still learning. To just secure some money. I feel you, man. Let's check out gold real quick. No, not my hourly. Let's check that hour at her. Whoa. Gold. What are you doing, girl? She's looking okay right here. She's looking strong. And if she continues, I don't know how gold, like, so yeah, you can get nice pullbacks as well. So overall, we look pretty bullish on gold. And if we're overall pretty bullish on gold, because what a sell anyway, then gold has such good price action when you learn where to buy and sell. See, that's the thing. I was looking at this. I was like, what would I even be looking at for? Like, what would you be targeting? 33 for a show, for an exit? Top of this range, like 32, 32 and a half. Like, it's tough. I'm currently at 500 off that support and resistance where I entered. Where'd you get in down here at like the 222s? 23 level, yeah. Yeah, I can see the level. It's a nice, sexy little clear line, and you got in like a king. On 156 long looks tempting. Let's see what Spitz is talking about. Yeah, she does look tempting, buddy. Also looks like we have a indecisive market. Because if gold keeps going up, If gold keeps going up, Nasdaq's gonna come down. Nasdaq's kind of ugly. Like, look at this in comparison. This thing just seems like it moves straight. But this level here, Mar, how this was like previous supported bottom, and now we just retried it at the 329s. Is that also resistance for you? And now we're trying a previous level here, finding some sells off the 27s. Just hit my trail on gold. What is the like Nasdaq's 20, ES is 50? How much is it per point on this or per move? Be cautious and patient, boys. Yes, sir. What's the play on gold? How much does it move? How much money is it per move, per point? Yeah, I agree though, Spitz. Looking at longs down here is not unsexy. Like, we've seen pretty good. Gold actually looks shorty. And if gold is short, then fucking Nas is up. But man, she's getting smacked though. She is getting smacked. Let me put this right here for a second. Yeah. Oh my word. Shorts, boys. Shorts, boys. If you're doing one lot, it's about $10 per move, per point. So, or per if you're trading 10 micro gold, $1 is like $100. But trust me, one lot is all you need because that motherfucker move. Yeah, I mean, you just made 50 points. You just made 500 bucks. So I respect it. I do. What I don't respect though, NASDAQ, is how you're teasing everybody, selling down for 42 minutes and then just kind of like sitting in this weird zone. Compressed. There's been no buying. Longs have not been the play today, boys. Oh, longs not the play today, boys. D Ruthless just blew my funded due to the sell back on gold. Damn, bro. Sorry, man. Heart goes out to you. It's a tough, that's tough. Sorry to hear it, King. But welcome in, D. I think it's the first time I've seen you, D Ruthless. So, welcome to the con, bro. Welcome. Happy to see you here. Hopefully, you can get that combine or get a combine going and crush. D, what was your reasoning? What were you looking at? What was the inclination? What was the look? Just due to that sell back on gold, you should know not to go against me, dog. LOL. Mars being a little confident man today. I like it. He is often correct, I will say. I tend to not enjoy fading him either. And I have, and I lose. Uncle Colonia, welcome in. Good morning, bro. Happy you're here. I was about to add a winner after a 5-minute close outside of the 15-minute range, but instead I hit buy instead of selling an additional. No, shaking my head. I'm up 528 and done trading for the day. I want to drop you a W because you were on the right side of the market and made money, but to accidentally buy instead of average in on a second sell is so sad, bro. You just... Yeah, dog, that's pain. Good fucking trading, but that is tough, Alcalonia. Damn, bro, but hey, you're green, King. Woo! A bunch of us are green today, boys. We're making money. Except for D, I'm sorry, buddy. You just blew your account, so I recognize that is the worst feeling in this game. It is literally the worst feeling in this game. Is this just going to keep selling? Like, what's going on here? One of the weirder price actions we've had. to start. I mean, this is 45 minutes into the New York session, and this is what we're getting. Failure to push this thing down. Kind of want to try along here. Kind of want to try along here at the 63s. Feels a little silly. It really does. Just considering the price action of everything, but feels like we're going to get a little turn, potentially. I think buys are in. See, Juan's seeing it too. Juan's seeing it. I'm kind of tempted to put an order in at these 63s. See if we can get a fill. I'm trying to decide if it's even worth taking any more trades. I'm up 13. I was up more, but gave up some to already try to participate again. I'm not sure. Is it silly to risk these profits right now? Or do I technically have a $3,000 drawdown, so I should be willing to try? I don't know. I'm not very sure. We're at the 180s. An order down at like the bottom of that range, like the 157s, 160s could be pretty sexy. I just check on ES longs are in. Been in for a while now, past 5 minutes. Okay, Mars checking other equities for us, like the man. Said longs have been in for a little while, but that means that NQ's lagging. Does that mean that NQ is lagging? Real bullish engulfing. Tyler versus greed. Who will win? Should I trade or not? To trade or not to trade? That is the question. Real bullish engulfing on ES. What are we thinking, gang? Take an order at 63? How about this? I'll put one in. I'll put one in. 63, I'm in. If we get it, we get it. If we get a push and a fill, we get it. Yeah, NQ is lacking by a lot. NQ is the weaker indicator here. I am trying to participate. Let's see if we can get a push here. EMA might not even give us an entry. EMA's at the 70s. We're looking for a little bit below that. I would because of the news coming. Oh, you would? Oh, you would be cautious. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. And if I do get filled at the 63s, we'll be stopped at the 53s. Which sucks. I kind of want to see the 57. So I'd be patient. Mar's telling me we probably shouldn't be looking at this right now. We're gonna leave it. We're gonna take one more try at this. If we get to 63 fill, we get it. If not, we don't. Whatever. Getting another ad. Getting another ad. Can we not talk about Vistaprint right now? That'd be granular. Almost getting a fill here. I don't mind it. I don't love it. I think we just got teased though. We're looking for a fill at the 63s. This will be my last trade of the day regardless. Feels a little bit, feels a little risky. It does. ES has been buying for a little while, so these two are diverged. We're asking for a decent fill at the 63s. I don't like the way that's reacting. We're going to look for lower then if we are going to get in this. The 53s, where I would have been stopped, is where I'm going to get for an entry. Can't believe we never got filled on that 63 push there, though. It's actually crazy. Yeah, I had an order at Sex 3, and she said, I'm going to get to 63 exactly, but not going to fill. So then I'm like, okay, so we're going to look for a lower. If I see a retest on ES around, I'm looking, taking long, she said. Damn it. So we should have already been in this at the 63s. Why did we nearly bottom tick that but not get in? Not grab it? I got in at 68. Good entry, Juan. I was looking for a little too low, I guess. 63 was just a little bit too low. 179. Is where you're looking to get out? Or where you're looking to get in? Hella risky, so stops already at break even. I like the safe break even. It might be a little too early, Juan, so maybe we clear these two tops. But since you're at 68 and you're already up, put that break even on. I don't mind that at all. I'm in longs on NQ at 179. You're long. Why do we not get into 63? I should already be in this up 20 points. Risking light. Risking light like the man knows to do. Damn, I can't believe we just missed the 63 push there. It makes me sad. Our boys are getting in this. They're looking long. I wouldn't mind a retry of like the... I want us to see this break through this previous top here. I'm in a little shorty gold. So then you guys are all on the same side. Short gold, long Nas. Short gold, long Nas are the friends. Let's see this push out for my boys. I'm actually curious real quick. I'm going to take this order off. Flatten. Let's go take a peek at gold. See what our boy Spitz is looking at. I like that. We are starting to hold, excuse me, a potential resistance, but I don't know enough about gold to know how she moves. Is each tick, like each point, of $10? So like, if I got from 3422 to 3433, is that $100? I don't know. But Spitz, she's paying out. If we get below these, you're chilling, my boy. Below that 2-2 point. Oh. It looks like it's trying. What's that NQ doing? My boy still in this? Yeah, but it moves quick, bro. Okay. Yeah, I bet you do. We're kind of having a hard time getting in and out of this range right now. It's my first trade in gold in Topstep. Hey, let's see it play out. I took the first push over the EMA with IFG entry. Yeah, there's a big gap here with a push over and then a retest. This was kind of this balance here from the 66s to this gap in the closure here was what I was taking the trade off of. I just wanted to see this previous low we traded at 63. And it did. It actually exactly traded at 63, but Tyler was already out of it. So a little painful, but it is what it is, man. Just trying with a little risk. I like it, Spitz. I like to try new equities, especially Mar. Mar says it works, and Mar is a great trader. So, yo, I don't think I've asked yet, gang. We had 8 homies in here. We have 8 likes. That would be gangster. I appreciate y'all so much. Either way, I don't mind. Let's see this break through these 79s. We got Mar and Juan in this. Juan's in at the 68s. Good entry by Juan, honestly. NQ might consolidate till news comes out. Still in my longs. We break through this high, you should be chilling. We're starting to find some pressure now. Yeah, buddy. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Push. I love it. Nice little move there into the 90s. Juan's chilling from the 68s. Like, let's go. Let us rock. Let it rock, 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 rock. I gotta rock, 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 rock. That VWAP might be strong as fuck. Yeah, I feel like it's definitely a big resistance, especially because the 50% of our range today is also aligned with it. I would definitely be a little hesitant at that VWAP. Damn, we got to this 90s now. Now we're pushing back towards these 70s at the moment. This push is looking like a pregnancy. Oh, this man said push. This is looking like a pregnancy. It actually cracked me up. It is looking a little weird. We're back to the EMA now. At the 70s. We got it pushed to the 90s. I know not. Right? I'm not very aware. See this thing move here. Currently testing the 9 EMA. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, King. Dancing with it. Let's see the reaction. We got the bullish push off of this imbalance. We got the support at the 60s. Got to assume we're going to get it again. We did clear out previous top, sorta. But it's just clearly selling's been selling. Hey, Ty, why did you change your colors? Hey, Ty, why did you... What do you mean? What colors? Candle colors. Oh, from black to black to white? Because I've had these since we've been hanging out. But I like black and white just because... I don't know. I don't know why. It's just cleaner to me. This is just... My brain likes that. But like the red and green and the black... I'll say one thing I do like about it... Ooh, didn't mean to do that. One thing I do like about the... if I didn't change my canvas is how you could just have this be solid black. That would be more sexy for me to trade. But then I can't see my black candles, and it's like, oh, well, what would I do for my black candles? I don't know. So I just like it. I don't know. I just like it. It's cleaner. Light skin activities. What do you trade? Red and green like a weirdo? You trade red and green like a Neanderthal? You primitive. It is. I like it. It's attractive. It's more attractive, cleaner. I like to see the white and black move. Nah, you funny though, Juan. 2 more minutes till news. Let's see what happens here, boys. I'm surprised Topstep isn't talking about the news, Mar. So we had the 10:30 news home sale that came in. Wasn't a crazy reaction. 10:30 and then 10:30 crude oil. Yeah, it's massive. We have 1 minute and 7 seconds. I didn't know they did this. They count down for us. It's cool. 1:07 seconds. We had home sales come in that slightly lost to the forecast. Better be long. Better be long. Laugh my ass off. I do trade red and green with a dark grayish background. Bro, if you're red and green, you gotta go black. Black background. So clean. But nah, red and green works too, bro. My boy I know that's made a lot of money from trading trades red and green. He makes fun of me for switching too. Better be longs. Here we go, Mar. 30 seconds, my boy. I think y'all are going to be rewarded. I'm hoping so. Hoping my team can get paid here. We got to get through this little bit of level at the 80s, but... Ooh, she looked pretty good. Go ahead, then. 18 seconds. We're pushing to the 90s. Push up to the VWAP. Excuse me. I'm still a little sad we missed the entry at the 63s there. Just a little bit. Here we go in the 92s, boys. 3 seconds. I'm guessing this is already getting some news home sales reaction. Oh, and the activity is in. Slowly trailing here. The actual candle didn't bring in much volatility so far. Trailing here. Slowly trailing. You're getting paid. It was a good trade. Juan's back in. Ooh, excuse me. Juan's in from the 78s. Or no, 68s. So you're chilling right now. Why did I put 6.3? Why didn't I do like 6.3 1/4? You know what I mean? Why didn't I just do 63 and a quarter, 63 and a half or something like that? But no, I was like, I'm gonna do 63. We get taught, we get literally ticked. Ugh. Overall, great day though, boys. We get to lock in a win. Damn, this is pushing down off of those 90s right now. She ain't gonna be easy. Just hit my trail. Word. Mar made some money. Little break even, little win. You got into the 79s out of like 82s. Yeah. It's a green trade though, boy. Good trading. Good patience. Good discipline. Overall, Phantasmo. Stellar activities out of the Marino Santana. I fuck with that. Heavy. Damn, we're getting a push. We're getting a push now. Sellers are in. Selling. Sellers have been in since our opening print candle, the 260s. As soon as it broke that trend line, I took profits. Great. That's what I like to hear, buddy. I'm going to remove this trend line. We don't need this anymore. That's what I want to hear, Juan. Secure that money, King. That is what I like to hear, King. Let's see what happens here, boys. I feel like we're just going to kind of consolidate sideways for a little while longer. We got a nice push off of this range, and now it feels like we're just going to, you know, consolidate at these big areas. This previous area yesterday where price struggled to hold. If we see this hold, if I see this hold, Mar. These continue to push through these 50s. We could just keep sitting here. What are you seeing, Mar? If I see this hold, what are you seeing, King? I'm tricked out here. This could be a bottom long. This could be a push to the bottom. Wouldn't trip to take another long if we break above the 179. See, that's what I was thinking too. I was like, I wouldn't mind these longs down here. We're finding some support. We're already in the bullish activities. You gotta just be patient. See it play out. Above the 79s, he's in again potentially. Big support area here, right? So just gauge reaction. We got a nice push, wick, strong wick, weak candle. Clearly selling tried, but it's kind of failing. That's how you can take this in. They're kind of getting absorbed by the longs. So we'll see. Ooh, we're finding it into the 60s now. Back into the 60s. Shit. Selling is finding some strength here. I wouldn't really say this is all the way dead till we push below these 56s. If we're still supporting this 57, 56 area, longs could still easily find some support, but right now, they are kind of getting kicked. New video will be out by Friday, Tyler. Hey, everyone here, Juan, homies, anyone watching, go check out Mariano channel. It's called you Mariano, but Marino, our boy Mar, y'all know he's been consistent on the charts. He finds good spots. If he's going to share some information, it's worth listening to. Go check out his channel. I guess I still would like to see I would still like to see 130, 115 long. I know. Crazy to think that we should have been targeting 115 the whole time. Hey, W Spitz for a gold trade. A first trade on a new equity and a win. Actually, technically a medal, I think. But, dude, good trading. Investing in a 3 combine. Smart move or huge risk? That's all we know how to do. Oh, is that the video? Sexy. Investing into 3 combines. Smart move or huge risk? That's the video coming out? Love it, bro. Excited to see it, Mar. I'm going to check it out. I absolutely will be checking it out, my boy. Matter of fact, I'm gonna come in here right now and give my boy a sub. Hey, Mar, hey. I love it. I'm excited to check your shit out. Strong push off these 50s. Sellers look like they wanted it. Buying is trying to hold on. We're kind of just chopping at the bottom range right now. Not a lot of sexy trading going on. We had this imbalance create the push, but after the news, didn't really go anywhere with it. So take it as you will. Kind of feels like sells are in realistically. Where? Nobody knows. Nobody has that type of information. That 150 is strong, Spitz. It is not. It's not to be fucked with. Come into its area. It is a get out. Get out. Go up. I like the price. Go up. Appreciate it, brother. Pretty new to making videos, so it'll get better with time. Hey, that's what it's about. Like trading, bro. Small improvements. I'm looking to take longs here, and Mars interested in longs. I like that. Looking pretty good off these levels. These 150s is no joke. This 150 is really no joke, but man, I don't know. Selling has just been weird today. I can't do it. Selling has just been weird. Weirdly in control. This does feel like the bottom now before we find some higher prices. Bum 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 bum. Hey. Trying the 50s again here, gang. Now I'm interested. Is it gonna hold again? Likely it seems to. It appears it will. Shorts are not a bad play. So we got long and shorts look attractive. Mar, congrats on that 3K payout. No doubt about it, man. That's some sexy stuff. If it breaks above the 179, buys are not a bad play. So there's your level for Mar. So if we get above the 79s here, he'd be interested in potentially taking the long. If we break below these 50s, well, obviously that's not very good for the long. So another push to the 56s, 57s. Hey, finding some support again at the 50s like we have all day. Price has not been able to really get through here yet. We definitely look like we found a bottom here. Like this is a potential like W forming. Like we definitely look like that. It's hard for me to want to take a long. But like Mar said, maybe above the 179s could be more attractive. We do have decent structure at a supported level, but it's just the way we dipped into these 50s, and then like I don't know, it's really tricky. $160s could be okay. Compressing below the EMA isn't great. You go long right now, you will get wrecked. Currently, market seems indecisive. I agree. And we're all on the same page, boys. We're all on the same page. We're all clearly just watching, observing. Right now, just certain prices where we could move from. But inside of all this is just noise. Nothing to do. Here we go. Pushing off the EMA. Will these 50s finally break lower? Will these 50s finally break lower now? For that to be true, we'd have to really get a candle below these 47s to push low a day. No short or either long is smart in my opinion. W Spitz, I agree, buddy. Right now, we're all just going to be sitting on our hands. Patient. Patient plays. Patient pays. What's good, bud? Just come across your page. What do you trade? Like ICT or other stuff? What's up, UV? Welcome in, King. I like resistance, support and resistance, and trend lines. We play levels here. Like, we were all really interested in this 50 level. I was actually potentially looking for like the 30s to break for earlier for our short. We took a short off this top, so this previous level. So yeah, we're kind of resistance here. I don't really trade ICT. I like some ICT concepts, but they're like, I don't know, they're interesting, and you got to be really specific with it and all that. But ICT is decent if you are consistent with it. Otherwise, you know, it's kind of interesting. What about you though, bro? What do you trade? You trade Topstep, and does that mean you like ICT? Is that what that implies? I like your name. UV's pretty cool. I does. We're getting a little bit of reaction again off that 50s price, boys. Back into the 170s now. We're getting closer towards that level where Mara said if we get above, it could be interesting. See what the play is. Back above the EMA and inside of the 15-minute range with a W structure forming. It's really not too bad. I trade STDV, Powell model, and my own stuff combined together, and on my funded futures. My funded futures, nice. You like them? I'm gonna think about trying some other stuff, so MFF could be okay. Tyler, you regret doing that 90-day new strategy? Not at all, Juan. Like, it didn't work out too great for me, but that's all we can know, right? Like, imagine if it did work out and I made like fucking 100 grand, right? It's like, shit. How do we know without trying? So, no, I love the, you always gotta be trying new stuff. Mar did grab the entry off that for longs. Sexy. He's looking for this thing to keep pushing. He did say if we get above 179, he's taking it, and we are doing that right now. Respect to the man. I don't know what STDV is, though. Powell model I've heard a little bit about, and then you said your own stuff together, UV, so hell yeah. Light risk is the only way here, because this is, fuck, I don't know, she's a weird market today. I do feel like this could actually be the bottom, though. Like, 170s, now that we're back above this price as well, I would potentially consider a 170 for an entry. I can't take trades being so close to getting out of here, but I can. I'm just trying to lock in a winning day. I already took like, what, 3 or 4 trades today? 3 or 4 trades today. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I took 4 trades today, so I'm happy with it. We'll call it as is. Always more money to be made, but sometimes money to be lost too. I'm not going to lie, though. Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity. Lots of options for us to get a push here. So being in long in here is not a bad idea. It's just not the worst idea. Spitz says, "What is the Powell model? Is there any video which shows it? Sounds interesting. Yeah, his stuff is fire, quick and easy too. Yeah, the trader's name is Powell, and he just sets up. He kind of talks about like, you know, his entries and his strategy. Check him out, Spitz, if you want to. His yeah, I think it's Powell Trades, I think it is. Powell's go to get to see his story, bro. Came from negative thousands to multiple 7 figures now. That's what it's about." Showing up every day will do that. That's fucking hype. Motivates the shit out of me. Yeah, it's just it's like what he's named for his models and stuff. Spitz, he does. He knows what he's doing. What are we doing here? Just got stopped out for a small loss, 175. All right, Mar. I like this thing to keep going here. Hey, what do you normally do when you get in there? I'll try again if we get another break. Hell yeah. What do you normally do? A 10-point stop or 175? So not even 10 points, like 8 points there. 9-point stop. Get back above the 179. She's going to consider it again. Our man Mar pumping us full of entries and options and ideas the whole time. Seriously, W Mar. Always keeping us insightful. Maybe giving us some opportunity. Putting on risk. That's all we can do. Oh, LOL. O'Reilly's Auto Parts. I thought it was related to Chairman Powell. Yeah, I had a feeling you did. I had a feeling you did. It's funny. 5 to 10 point stop when I'm in deep with 3 to 5 lots. Okay. Starting to get that push now back to the 80s. We are looking at... excuse me. We are looking to appear to have found a real bottom here. Market's tried now for a while. Hour and 15 minutes in. When I scalp, I just trail. I like that. It seems safe way to secure profits in there. How long you been trading? I've been trading like really consistently every single day. Haven't really missed a market open for like over a year now, or about a year now. And then before that, I've had quite a bit of like experience. I was 19. I found the markets, found options, gave up some money, moved back home, had like 10K in savings and put like 9,500 into AMC call options and lost every penny in AMC. Went back to work for a while, built up some more money, and yeah, Topstep came out. I gave them like, I don't know, 5-6 grand, or I don't even know. I don't know how much money I gave them. Gave them some money when I first started. Actually, it was not that much. I don't think I ever launched 5 accounts till this year. Gave them a couple of tries, lost, wasn't into it, couldn't afford it at the time. Went back to work. Like up the page for my boy Mar, my fucking guy. Appreciate y'all. If y'all hit the like button, that helps a lot. Yeah, I went back to work, got some more money, and now I have one of the best jobs I've had. I can save up a lot of money, and then since I saved up a nice little chunk, I was like 30K in savings last year when I started trading. So I had 30K, started trading. After like 5 months, got my first payout, and now just been here ever since, my boy. You got a couple payouts? Yeah. From the XF, yeah. Not these ones. Not specifically these XFAs. This is the new account or new set. I just brought these up recently, but I have had 5 XFA payouts. Like I've had payouts out of 5 accounts at once. Yeah. In another entry, 2 lots here. High conviction. Okay, so he is getting more convicted. That's a double lot. Yeah, I was in options too, just a little bit after Trump got the presidency, and boy, it was a roller coaster. Dude, it's such a different. You gotta have, yeah, it's a different game. Options is wild. My boy Mars in 2 contracts here. So what, he's trailing your stop to like 168, 167. I'd let this thing be and then profit up top. 2 lots here. Hell yeah. 10 homies watching out. Smash that like button like Mars said. Todd, what's your day job? I am a contractor for cannabis cultivators. So I live in Maine and I work at 2 different grows for 2 really spots, and I'm like the head trimmer. So there's 2 people, me and one other person. We do all the processing. So we help grow, but that's like the side, like that's minor. And then we actually process and trim the weed and put it in stuff, weigh it all out, stuff like that. And it doesn't sound like crazy, but it's a new industry with a lot of opportunity. I get really good money. I get paid per pound that I trim, and I get paid like 170-ish, 175 per pound. And I trim like 40 pounds, roughly, like 30-40 pounds a month. Stop loss at 23,170. Stop loss at 171. Yeah, I like that. Below this range, I would have gone 168-ish, 169. So we got the same eye. Mar. Damn, sounds interesting. It is interesting. I love it. And it's provided me this lifestyle where now I've got a fat chunk of, oh, I say fat chunk. For what my old life, I got a fat little chunk of savings. Really grateful for it, and it's allowed me to get into this, and this I'm hoping to do for the rest of my existence. Imagine just every day we get on here, gang, just hang out, make some money, hang out for a couple hours, make some cash, go about our day. Like, that's the dream. So that's what we're working towards, and I work hard. I work really hard so that can be the reality. Working like right now I'm on, I don't even know, day 7 in a row, but I think it's like, I don't know. We've been doing 10, 12. We've been doing over 10-hour shifts. So I'm somewhere around like 70 hours this last week, but you can't cry when you're getting paid, you know what I mean? Let's see this thing push here though. Mars in double longs. I want to see this, or 2 contracts, 2 lots. I want to see this thing push through this previous top, right? Resistance at the 193, kind of the 200 whole number is going to be like the obstacle here. This is, the structure is not bad. It's just we're at a really weird, like it's slow. It's very slow. It's very slow today, gang. Trailing tight. Good shit. Trailing tight. Let's see this thing pop here, though. Come on. Let's see this thing pop here. 92s. Break through that previous top. 93 now. Woo! Mar with a double long. Love it, bro. Let's see this thing. NQ is pushing. She is pushing. Getting through this previous top at the 90s and getting into that 200 whole number could be really nice. I still haven't passed my first account yet, but been trading since December, and I took a break for 3 months, had some things pop up, but now started back in June 12th, and now been consistent ever since. Hey, that's what it's about, bro. Showing up, doing the things. Takes time, bro. Like I said, it really does. From December's pretty decent start, December to June, and you took 3 months, so let's just say 4 months of trading. That's fair. You haven't passed an account ever? Try. This is... So how many times have you tried? Because you can pass accounts pretty nice if you use leverage, and then you're going to blow some for sure. But if you put max leverage on, you should have an easy time passing. But once you get funded, that's where it gets weird. It's like you have to stay with the 1 to 2 lots. When I traded options, I started with 10K, then won 50K in a day, then lost that over the course of time, then another 50K, then lost it again, and then won again. And after that, lost the OG 10. What a roller coaster, Spitz. You were taking 10K worth of put options early with Trump stepping in. That's a man play right there. Damn, to swing 50K back and forth. That's like my net worth, just fucking, that's my whole savings account, just gambling it up and down, up and down, up and down. King shit, bro. Really is. It takes a man to trade options. You gotta be willing to lose it all. You can make a fuckload though. That's what's exciting about it. What's your profit here, Mar? I'm gonna be getting out of stream here soon. I gotta go back to the day job actually right now. Seriously though, hanging out with y'all is the highlight of my day. I appreciate y'all so much. Smash the like button if you have not yet. Get some sun, drink some water, and we will be back tomorrow doing it all over again. Hopefully I can get back. Like yesterday or today, we were here a couple minutes before market opens, and I actually fuck with that. 13.25, your 2 lots, you're looking for like 30 points from the 79s-ish. So you're looking for like you're looking for the 200 whole number roughly, or like the 210. Yeah, options is really a different type of thing. I'm currently in the process of recording the combine. Hell yeah. Hey, that's so hype, Mar. Can't wait to see the video. For everyone, go check out Mar's channel. But Spitz, you're my boy. Much love. UV, welcome in, man. Hope to see you around some more. If you're not subscribed, bro, every day we're doing this, 9:30 to 11. Sometimes a little earlier, 9:30, but not really. Sometimes even later. Juan, hope you're making out today, doing well. Even if you don't take any more trades and you end your account at up 1,500, and then you can just pass tomorrow. That's sexy. About 32 points. Hell yeah, Mar. But yeah, much love to everybody. I can't wait to be back tomorrow. Hopefully this breaks through for Mar here. Break through this 93. But I'm out. Drink some sun. Get some water. And I'll see y'all.